Welcome back to Tech School, where we dive into the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Today, we're unraveling everything you need to know about the much-anticipated iPhone 16 lineup, set to debut on September 9th, 2024. This year, Apple is bringing some exciting changes to their flagship devices that you won't want to miss, from new sizes to enhanced features, and everything in between. Let's explore what makes the iPhone 16 series a game-changer. Stay tuned because you're going to want to know why this could be the most significant iPhone upgrade in years. Alright, so let's jump straight into the iPhone 16 lineup. Apple is shaking things up this year with a new set of devices that promise to elevate the iPhone experience to new heights. The iPhone 16 will come in 4 models: the standard iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. But what's grabbing everyone's attention this year are the Pro model. Apple is increasing the size of the iPhone 16 Pro to 6.3 inches and the iPhone 16 Pro Max to a massive 6.9 inches. This marks the first size upgrade in several years and signals Apple's commitment to offering larger, more immersive displays. Now let's talk design. Apple is known for its attention to detail, and the iPhone 16 lineup is no exception. While the standard iPhone 16 models will retain the same sizes as the iPhone 15 series, they're getting a few design tweaks. The iPhone 16 models will feature some minor adjustments with extra buttons, but by and large, they will resemble their predecessors in terms of overall design. However, the real design changes are seen in the Pro models. Apple has opted for a new vertical camera lens arrangement, moving away from the diagonal setup we've seen in previous models. This new configuration is expected to improve the quality of photos and videos, particularly with the addition of a new capture button on all iPhone 16 models. This button is designed to make taking pictures and videos easier, functioning similarly to the shutter button on a digital camera. And let's not forget about the display. The Pro models are set to feature the latest OLED technology with micro lens arrays, providing brighter displays with reduced power consumption. Plus, with Apple's border reduction structure, BRS technology, we're expecting slimmer bezels, giving these devices a more modern and sleek look. So what about the colors? Apple always surprises us with their color choices, and the iPhone 16 lineup is no different. Rumors suggest that we'll see colors like black, green, pink, blue, and white. Some sources even hint at the return of vibrant blue and light pink variants, adding a splash of personality to the lineup. These colors will be infused in the back glass with a frosted effect, giving the phones a premium look and feel. For those of you who love MagSafe accessories, there's good news. The alignment magnets in the iPhone 16 models are said to be slimmer, reducing the size of the magnetic ring. This means your MagSafe cases and chargers might be even more seamless and better integrated with the device. Interestingly, dummy models of the iPhone 16 series have already leaked, giving us a sneak peek at what to expect. These models, often used by case manufacturers to design accessories ahead of time, showcase the size differences and design tweaks we've mentioned. And based on these leaks, it's clear that the Pro models are going to be slightly taller and wider than their predecessors, making them even more impressive in hand. Speaking of size, let's dive into the specifics. The iPhone 16 Pro will measure 6.3 inches, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max will stretch to 6.9 inches. Pro Max, in particular, is set to be a powerhouse, both in size and performance. With larger displays come slightly increased dimensions. The Pro models will be taller, wider, and just a bit heavier than the iPhone 15 Pro models. But don't worry, these devices won't feel bulky. Apple has maintained the same thickness as last year's model. And thanks to the slimmer bezels, the phones should still feel comfortable and ergonomic. Now let's talk about the camera, one of the most anticipated features every year. The iPhone 16 series is set to revolutionize smartphone photography yet again. The standard models will feature a vertically aligned camera system, housing the wide and ultra-wide lenses. This pill-shaped bump will also include the microphone and flash, perfectly integrated into the sleek design. For the Pro models, Apple is expected to bring back the Tetra Prism 5X optical zoom lens, which was a hit on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This year, it might be available on both the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max, giving users even more flexibility in their photography. Whether you're snapping photos of stunning landscapes or capturing intimate moments, these upgrades will ensure your images are sharper, clearer, and more vibrant than ever. Apple is also reimagining the iPhone's physical buttons. The Action button, first introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro models, will now be available across the entire iPhone 16 lineup. This button is highly customizable, allowing you to perform tasks like launching the camera, enabling focus modes, and even controlling shortcuts, all with a single press. But the star of the show is the new Capture button. Located on the right side of the device, this button is designed for photographers and videographers alike. It will respond to different levels of pressure, enabling you to focus, zoom, and capture images with precision. Think of it as bringing the feel of a professional camera directly to your iPhone. Under the hood, Apple is set to introduce the next generation A18 chip, which promises to take performance to the next level. Pro models are expected to feature an upgraded version of this chip, potentially named the A18 Pro, with more GPU cores and a beefed-up neural engine. This will result in faster processing, smoother multitasking, and enhanced AI capabilities, perfect for demanding apps and game. And let's not forget about cooling. The iPhone 16 series is rumored to include a new thermal design with graphene heat sinks, ensuring your device stays cool, even during intense use. This is especially important as we push our devices to their limits with gaming, video editing, and other resource-intensive tasks. Connectivity is another area where the iPhone 16 models are expected to shine. Pro models might come equipped with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon X75 modem, offering faster and more efficient 5G connectivity. This modem will support 5G Advanced, the next step in mobile internet technology, making your device future-proof for years to come. Battery life is always a concern, but with the power efficiency improvements in the new A18 chip and OLED display technology, you can expect your iPhone 16 to last even longer on a single charge. Plus, the new thermal design should help prevent any overheating issues that could affect battery performance. So there you have it. The 2024 iPhone 16 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases in years. From the new sizes and camera enhancements to the powerful A18 chip and innovative buttons, Apple is once again pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. If you're as excited as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates on the iPhone 16 and other tech news. And if you have any questions or thoughts on the new iPhone, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching Tech School, where we keep you informed on all things tech. See you in the next video.